go.
Hello there. Today we're looking at the bottom of this older couch. The bracing for the springs underneath here has broken away, and we're going to repair this. We, you know, this piece isn't all that old, but it's maybe 1950s or so, 40s maybe. And they used to hold these springs underneath here for the seat. They used to be held in place with little double strands of jute twine holding them. They were nailed into the frame with furniture tacks. You can see the remnants of these old jute twines here. And someone along the way decided to cut those off and put in some wood supports for the springs. But they did a very poor job, and their work started pulling loose, and the springs are kind of sprung. So we're going to repair these things. Here's a piece of their bracing that they had under there, if you could even call this bracing. Some scabbed together wood, and they used 2-inch staples to staple it all together. They used to have this over in here supporting these two springs, and I counted 15 staples in this one little location here, about 3 inches long. So they had just so many of these staples blasted into there. Must have been the only tool the guy had in his toolbox, is a stapler, 2-inch staples. So his staples are all pulling loose and everything's falling apart. So we're going to epoxy these pieces into place. See what Tim is holding here. This piece of poplar may seem like overkill. It's kind of a big piece of wood, but we're going to pocket screw this with screws up into the frame here and down here and off to the side, so that it'll hold those springs up in there where they need to be. This brace, which is one of the old ones, is all broken loose. I pulled staples and snipped staples, and we're going to pull this back into place. We'll clamp it, and then we'll glue it, and then we'll screw it. And so this is what the underside of your couch looks like, and that's our couch repair video for today.